Now, next topic is how to find cube by shortcut method. So, here is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, it is written that is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, this same formula you have to write column wise as it is written here. First, you have to make 4 columns. Column 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first column, you have to write a square, again a square, b square, b square. In the next column, you have to write a multiplied by a multiplied by 3b multiplied by 3a multiplied by b. Now when you will multiply these two, you will get a cube. It is here. When you will multiply a square and 3b, the answer is 3a square b here. When you will multiply b square into 3a, the answer is 3ab square. It is here. And the last column, b square into b, that is b cube. It is here. So first, to find through shortcut method, you have to arrange this formula column wise as it is, you can see on board. Now let us see one example how to find cube by using this method. Find the cube of 29. Here the value of a, here on the board you can see a and b. So what is a and b? Means if the number is 29, so take a as 2 is equals to 2 and b is equals to 9. A is equals to 2 and b is equals to 9. Make 4 columns. Column 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now observe this formula and using this only we are solving or we are finding cube. Now in the first step, here it is a square and the value of a is 2. So what is the value of 2 square? 4. So here it is 4. Value of a is 2. So here it is 2. And then you have to multiply. So 4 into 2. So answer is 8. Now come to column number 2. In column number 2, a square is there. So the value of a is 2. What is the square of 2? 4. So here 4 is written. Into 3b. Value of b is 9. You have to multiply 9 by 3. So 9 3s are 27. So into 27. Again multiply 4 into 27. As it is multiplied here, same process is carried out here also. So 4 into 27, that is 108. Come to third column now. In the third column, b square into 3a. b is 9. So square of 9 is 81. So here it is 81. And then 3 into a. a is 2. So 3 2s are 6. Now multiply 81 by 6. So the answer is 486. After this, come to the last column. Last column also b square into b. b is 9. So 9 9s are 81 into 9. When you will multiply 81 by 9, you will get 729. After this step, leaving this ones place, you select the number, leave this and the other number is 72. This 72 you have to add to the third column. You have to jump from fourth to third now. Now add 486 and 72. You will get 558. Again leaving this underlined digit, that is 8, take the other 2 digits. And then you have to come to second column and add it. So 108 plus 55 is equals to 163. Again Leaving this underlined digit, take these two digits and then come to the first column and add it. So 16 plus 8, that is 24. After carrying this process, you have to select the ones digit from every column, starting which I have underlined. You can see this is, here it is 9, here it is 8, here it is 3. But from the first column you have to select both the digits, whatever you are getting. So you have to write all together. So that is 2, 4, 3, 8, 9. So this is your answer. So this is the method how to find cube of a number by using shortcut method. So let us see one more example. Find the cube of 25. A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 5. Now follow this column rule. A square. A square means 2 2s are 4 into A into 2, that is 8. Then column second. A square. 2 2s are 4 into 3B. 3 into 5, that is 15. Then 4 into 15, that is 60. Come to third column. B square. 5 5s are 25 into 3 into 2, that is 6. So 25 into 6, that is 150. And in fourth column, B square into B, that is 5 5s are 25 is B square into 5, that is equals to 125. Now leaving this last digit, you have to take these two digits, 12. Bring it in the third column and add it. So you will get 162. Again, leave this underlined digit and bring this number, this 16 in column second and add it. 60 plus 16 is equals to 76. Leaving this last digit, bring 7 in the other column and add it. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Now from every column you have to select last digit, and from the first column you have to take both the digits. So your answer is 15625.